Sizzies!
I am Cha,
I'm Minky.
and we're sisters, and I'm the owner of Lash Life Aesthetics, and my sister works for me as my nail tech. So for today, we're going to discuss basic client etiquette. And also, welcome to our LLA episode. So this is our episode number 1, which we're going to discuss. Yun nga, yung basic client etiquette. So, ano bang masasabi mo doon?
Hopefully, this can inspire other pink-collar jobs. We are considered, guys, pink-collar job. Anyone that works for beauty, aesthetics, and anything that has to do with beautifying another person or clients. And para makatulong din tayo sa mga ibang nail artists, lash artists, na to know the boundaries between client to service provider etiquette, yung boundaries natin when we are at our job, and especially how to eliminate such persons, eliminate instances where we are being disrespected. So, yun po.
So, ayun, dito sa first episode ng LLA episodes is, wala lang, chill, sit down, talk lang with you guys. And we hope na sana makatulong yung experience namin sa mga future and aspiring artists na manonood sa amin. And of course, hindi lang din to para sa mga clients namin. It's also para din sa aming mga artists kung paano yung pakikitungo namin sa mga clients namin. Lalo na dito sa kung saan kami nag-work, which is Lash Life Aesthetics. So dito sa LLA, meron kaming iba't ibang policies and reminders po na sinasabi sa mga clients din namin before booking, before, during, and after they book their appointment with us. So, ayun. Okay, right now we're going to discuss the basic policies and reminders that we have dito sa aming aesthetic clinic.
Okay. So our policies and reminders, it is only for our studio as per now. But if you also need help in creating your own policies and reminders, I hope that this can be inspiring for you. If you are a solo business owner, someone who's starting their business from scratch, like my sister did, it's very hard to find your own content or how-tos, basically, para sa mga, especially sa mga website, sa mga booking policies and reminders. So, I know it's hard out there. So, as we are currently are now very comfortable in sharing these things, feel free to let us help you. If you need help, send us a DM. Totally, it's fine if you are in need of help, especially when starting your business from scratch.
So now, let's start our first, ano ba tawag dito?
Reminder.
So, we have the booking fee. So before, hindi ako nagre-require ng booking fee. However, there will always be clients that magno-no-show or instant same-day cancellations, rescheduling. And of course, for me, as a solo business owner lang din naman, medyo mahirap siyang parang i-manage, and minsan nakakapagod din for me kasi of course, time natin is very, very precious sa industriyang ito. And of course, yung slot natin is yun yung pinaka parang bread and butter natin. So per slot, of course, need magka-client talaga. So that's why before, hindi ako nagpapa-reservation fee. Pero ngayon is ni-require ko na, which is every client na magbo-book sa amin through our booking site will need to pay a 250 reservation fee. And of course, it is to be deductible din naman sa total bill na gagawin nilang or i-avail nilang services sa amin. And ayun, before kasi hindi, pero sadyang may mga makukulit na clients. Which is hindi naman din natin maiiwasan talaga sa field kung nasan din naman kami.
Yeah, it's also inevitable that they have some sort of emergencies or anything that they have to do last minute. Usually, it gets cancelled. Whether or not there's communication, it's always safer to have a booking fee para, you know, your time isn't totally stuck. Especially if you have a no-show client between clients. you can use that as rest, know that your time is still valued the same way as it was, and hindi kayo masustuck between clients.
Okay. Our next stop will be the late policy. So our late policy is only applicable when you are late for more than 10 minutes. So, mabait naman kami. So, yung meron pa rin kayong grace period na 10 minutes. So, if ever na matraffic kayo or medyo may ginagawa pa kayo sa mga house, so work, you can just always message us. So, yun lang naman, 100 pesos late fee lang naman yung madadagdag sa total bill ninyo. And of course, when you are late for 30 minutes, considered canceled appointment. Kasi we hope you understand na pag late ka ng 30 minutes, we do services 2 hours sa lashes, sa brows, or sa nails, di ba?
Yes.
Depende din sa
Prep time namin,
Yes.
especially if a client has, let's say for example, damaged nails, they have a lot of production of dry skin, or they just have certain things about their nails that, for example, removals take quite a bit of time. I know for lashes din, matagal din ang removal time, especially if it's from another artist. So that 30 minutes is supposed to be half of the prep time. So it's very important that clients either come a few minutes earlier, like at least 5 or 10 minutes earlier, that's totally fine. Pero once it is 30 minutes or more, that is valuable time to prep the nails, to make sure that the service can go smoothly for lashes and for nails and for brows din po. Other artists, don't be afraid to set your boundaries na, hello po, ma'am, sir, this appointment will be considered canceled if hindi po kayo sumunod sa policies, which is more either you want to push through with the appointment, which would have a late fee, or this is considered canceled appointment. Don't be afraid, guys, kasi they are paying for your skills and they're paying for your time. And if one of those is not respected, you have the agency within yourself para to refuse a service if it is no longer hindi na po siya applicable sa inyo.
So, yun. Dito naman din sa amin, sa LLA, hindi naman din lahat ng clients is talagang nalilate. But, of course, we always give, parang
Benefit of the doubt.
benefit for them para makapunta sa appointment nila because we want nothing pa din, kundi mapamper namin sila, mabigyan namin sila ng time to rest through their pamper time.
Yes.
So, ayun, we hope you understand na, our time is valuable, your time is valuable. So, parehas lang din po tayong nangangailangan dun sa oras na yun. So, we hope you respect our time as much as we respect your
Yours.
time. Next is rescheduling. So, parang papasok din to sa mga discussions natin a while ago about booking fee. So, if you want to reschedule or cancel your appointment, if you don't want to forfeit your down payment, magbabayad ka lang ng, magme-message ka lang pala. Magme-message ka sa amin 1 to 2 days before your scheduled appointment. So, considered goods pa din yung reservation fee na binayad mo. But, if nag-reschedule ka
On the
same day of your appointment, considered canceled appointment na yon and forfeited na yung down payment na binayad mo. So, your rescheduling fee is considered as the cancellation fee.
And yes, since considered canceled na siya, sayang yung slot. Hindi naman po namin mabibigay agad yung slot sa ibang tao kasi syempre magkakaiba po tayo ng ginagawa sa everyday life. So it's not common occurrence that we are able to give a slot to another person. Although it happens, but it's very rare kasi
Unless it's Christmas.
where
na nag-aabang lahat ng
yes, nag-aabang
slot
lahat
na
ng mirakulo ng Pasko, which is mag-open ng slot. Hindi every time nabibigyan ng chance yung ibang tao. So, if you know that you are not able to come to your appointment on a scheduled date, inform us a day or 2 days before. And for other lash techs and artists, have that be very firm in your policies so that you can continue your work stress-free.
next is our rush and overtime fee. So, ano po ba yung rush and overtime fee? So, we have specific days and time, yung talaga yung schedule namin dito sa clinic, which is, actually daily siya.
Yes.
Yung daily kaming open. And then, our schedule, open slots is 1, 3, 5, and 7 p.m. But, if mag-request kayo ng rush time or overtime na slot, which is early in the morning or late at night, we will mag-add kami. We will require you to pay a rush or overtime fee. Kasi po, yung mga time na yon, early in the morning or late at night, dapat po ay
Magpapahinga na po.
pahinga na kami noon. But if you really need that time to get pampered, of
Yes.
course, we will be glad to accommodate you. If
Yes.
kailangan mo talaga may event ka kinabukasan,
Yes,
di ba?
correct.
Hindi naman maiiwasan na, of course, busy din tayo lahat sa mga daily lives natin, and sometimes, yun na lang talaga yung available
Yes, correct.
slot. So, just let us know, guys.
Yes, let us
Kasi-
know respectfully, kindly, and
Oo.
we will be glad to open you a slot at your preferred time.
Yes, correct yan. Okay, of course, next is, ano ba? Companions. Of course, we have our clinic, and isa sa mga factor na kinonsider ko nung mag-open pa lang kami is hopefully magkaroon yung clients ko ng parang mini waiting area. So, my studio, hindi naman din siya ganun kalakihan. It's, this is just enough for us to perform services sa mga
Yes.
clients namin. Very na marerelax sila.
Yes.
Pero at the same time, yun nga, may waiting area. And also, yun nga, pwede kang magsama ng companion. If kasama mo ang iyong bebe,
Yes.
kasama mo ang iyong kapatid, pinsan, or kung sino man, best friend.
Mhm.
So, okay lang naman din magsama, pero wag lang yung buong sambayan ng Pilipino
Correct.
ay isasama mo dito kasi
Yes.
minsan nakaka-apekto na siya
Ng
sa
service.
work
Yes.
namin. So, syempre, pag medyo magulo, hindi na siya nakaka-relax.
Especially kasi I'm at the front of house, I'm directly in front of the door. When there's a lot of people, minsan may usugan na nangyayari, there's talking in between clients. So, nagalaw po yung client for sa nails ha. So, when that happens, kindly inform your clients na, Ma'am, I only have a limit of 1 or 2 companions, ganon. Para lang po dire-diretso po yung service po namin. So, it's okay to set boundaries like that. And, para rin sa ikakabuti ng work.
And this is one of my favorites. Pet-friendly studio
Yes.
po ba ang Lash Life Aesthetics? And the answer is...
Yes!
So, I have a lot of dogs. And sometimes she has one dog, a baby puppy. And sometimes po ay nagsasama po talaga kami ng
Possestants.
possestants dito. Always po akong may kasama, which is ang aking baby Chloe. And then sometimes po, nagsasama po ako ng another possestant na magiging cutie na
Greeter.
makulit, na greeter, ano ba tawag doon?
Bouncer.
Bouncer. Kasi yun, yung mag-greet sa inyo pag papasok kayo. So, ayun, if you have a fur baby na you want na isama during your
Yes.
appointment, we'll be glad to accept your fur baby as well because we love dogs and cats here po
Yes.
sa LA. Next, ito po ay malimit na questions. Do you accept walk-ins?
Only if there's an
Yeah.
there's an available slot between clients. For example, I have a 1 to 3 and then my 4 to 5 is free. I can accept a walk-in client if they arrive either before or within the time frame. But if there is a walk-in client and may current client pa po kami, I'm sorry, pero hindi po ma-prioritize or mabibigyan ng chance yung walk-in client kasi may pinaprioritize po kaming mga clients na nag-pay ng $250 for their slot for that time. So, I usually advise po for walk-in clients na do not arrive on a certain time or fully book kami to book on another day, and we give our Facebook page and website po.
Kaya much better na mag-book kayo ng appointment in advance so that we can prioritize you. Since we only have 4 slots sa nails and also 4 slots for lashes and brows.
Yeah.
So, ayun po, sana naintindihan nyo na hindi din namin, as much as we want to cater you,
Yes.
diba, sa same day, pero syempre napapagod din po kami and ayaw namin na nako-compromise na yung quality of work na ginagawa namin.
Yes, kung pwede lang po kami i-clone. Sige, go.
Octopus. Pwede
Octopus.
naman po. Of course, ito na ang ating isa sa pinaka medyo mainit-init na topic. Hot issue.
As from personal experience, let's get a little vulnerable. It's happened to me. It's happened to me before. My sister, I told her about it. Na, mga sisi, please, if mag-picture po tayo, it's not that hard. Hindi po ako sobrang intimidating na para mong kakagaling ko kayo, pwede ba kang picturean? I've had people take vlogs here. I've had people take photos. Shout out sa mga sisi ko dyan na influencer. We love you for real. We love you down.
Yes.
Pero, even they, influencer, they ask permission if they can vlog. They ask permission if they can take photos pag nagka-client sa ate. It's communication between us. And kailangan natin i-respeto yun. Because that is my respect to you. I don't say anything when it's happening, pero know that it is duly noted na just communicate with your artist.
Wala namang mawawala pag magtatanong.
Hindi naman ako magtatampo na ba't mo ko
Ma, pwede ka picturean.
Ito ba? Right?
Mag-post pa talaga yan siya.
Yes. I will pose for you, Pookie. It's okay. Pero, still, respect to your artists, to your techs, na just communicate, just ask. Lahat dito pwede gawin. Basta magtanong. And there's boundary. Okay?
Hindi naman kami masusungit, guys.
Yes.
Mukha lang. Pag nakita nyo kaming nakasimangot, it's because napakainit.
Yes, it's very hot.
Ang init sa labas.
Hindi makapag-midnight sun dito kaya ang init.
Yung pag summer. So, ayun, ang pinaka-last nating topic for this time will be the client conduct or studio conduct.
Yes.
So, we have a lot of good clients.
Thank you sa
Yes.
inyong lahat. We love you so
Thank
much.
you so much, mga sis, for being so kind. Every time na magpapa-appointment kayo sa amin, you follow all the booking policies and reminders. You come here, you greet us with a smile, and nothing is more, alam mo yun, rewarding that seeing you come to our studio, choosing us, trusting us, na mag-pamper sa'yo, gawin yung lashes mo, gawin yung nails mo, and we so love you guys for doing that.
Yes. And we are so thankful sa mga clients ngayon. Alam mo, pag minsan nagdadala ng mga treats, like,
Yes.
mga
It's not
cake.
required.
Yes, not at all.
Yes.
Pero little gifts like that really just push us to do more.
Nakaka-inspire.
Yes,
Diba?
nakaka-inspire na
Lalo na yung simpleng pa-ice coffee dyan.
Yes!
Isang 16 ounce ng iced coffee.
Ang saya na
Hello,
namin.
bestie.
Hello, bestie. We love you for real. We love you down. And very thankful po kami, especially yung dalawa na meron po kami mga clients na, simula pa lang ng journey namin na recently bumabalik. Like, yes, for example.
Home base pa lang kami.
Yes.
Shout out to you, Miss Tesh.
Yes, shout out to you. We love you down, for real. Na kilala si ate, kilala ko. when
Home
we were
base pa lang
starting.
ako. Naging client ko na siya. Hindi pa ako ganun kagaling mag-lashes noon. But still, andun na yung trust niya. And now, bumabalik siya as a beauty content creator na grabe. Nagpapabook siya dito for nails. And sobrang nakakatuwa yung ganun na naaalala pa rin kami ng mga client na it's just so sweet, and we do know that we appreciate you guys a lot, diba po? Lalo na sa mga clients namin na nagtinatag kami
Yes.
during, after, or before their appointments na excited sila magpabook dito. Itatag kami showing their new lashes, new brows, new nails, diba? And napaka-saya nun na, yun, sinishare nyo yun sa ibang mga friends nyo na mag-share mag-share kayo ng mga experience nyo about sa LLA, and it's a very nice thing to do, and we love you guys for that.
Yes.
And-
Our endless gratitude sa mga loyal clients namin na even yung mga quiet clients namin that continue to come back to be able to relax, to enjoy having
Your quiet
artists.
time.
Yes, quiet time, and having what they really want, to feel confident, to feel beautiful, and they trust us enough to let us give them that.
Mhm.
Very thankful po kami sa mga loyal clients po namin, mga sissies namin. Yes.
And of course, when we have an experience po sa mga good experience mga clients namin, hindi pa rin po talaga mawawala yung mga, alam yun,
Yes.
you know.
You know, guys, especially sa mga real ones,
Yes.
na,
You know, guys, kindness is free.
yes.
And we advocate for kindness here
All
sa
the time.
LLA, professionalism. You know, we always want to give you our best quality of work.
Yes.
That's why we require you to book an appointment kasi nga po ayaw namin na dumadagsa yung tao tapos mamadaliin namin yung work. So, that's why we require you to book kasi po we want na yung time na yun is only solely for you para makapag-focus po kami sa kung anong gagawin namin service sa'yo. And yun lang naman guys, I just want you to you know, I just want you to be kind.
Yes.
Hindi naman masama, hindi naman din po kami masamang tao.
More.
Just go, we can be friends and family here sa LLA. you know.
Shout out sa mga clients na naging friends na namin, kay Latina,
Yes,
kay
turn
Hesh.
into family.
Yes,
you know.
to the people that are not just clients or came here as clients but left as friends, we love you so much.
Mhm.
And sa mga kapwa ko artist dyan, kapwa namin artist dyan, don't be afraid to express yourself. And maybe ako, definitely, I expressed myself and I made friends out of clients. So don't be afraid na to be yourself and just, this is your job.
Yes.
Your job is to let other people express themselves. So, you can do that too. It's fine. Just relax and let it happen.
Yes,
Yeah.
and do not be afraid to make boundaries.
Yes, boundaries
Pag,
hand in hand with that.
yes, pag na-cross na yung line,
Firm.
yes.
Firm but be.
Ano yun? Respect
Mhm.
begets.
Respect because respect.
Yes.
You have respect comes with respect,
Yes.
and respect should and always should be a given, just as much as kindness should be a given. It's okay to, ask questions. It's okay to be shy, but it's also very important that whoever you come into contact with, whoever you provide services to, whoever avails your services, you must be kind. But whenever you are the person being serviced, it is also important to give grace to the person servicing you and to be kind and respectful.
A little bit of kindness every day.
Yes, a little bit of kindness every day, guys. Lock it in.
Mhm.
Lock it in,
So,
guys.
ayun lang naman guys, yung aming booking policies and reminders. We
Yes.
hope na somehow na-explain namin yung mga booking policies. This is very easily readable po
Yes.
sa aming website. Just
Yes.
need to visit. It is just one click away po. Visit kayo sa page namin, sa Instagram namin. Makikita nyo din po agad yung link doon na aming website and you can read everything there. Then if you have any questions, wag po mahiyang mag-message sa amin. May magre-respond naman po agad
Opo.
doon na admin.
Yeah, we are available on Facebook, we are available on Instagram, and on TikTok. We are contactable on all those. So, don't be afraid, don't be shy. If you're a kapwa artist or just someone who wants to be pampered, we can accommodate you totally fine.
So, ayun lang. We hope na naintindihan nyo kahit pa paano yung explanation. If you have any question, just comment it down sa comment section. Wow, comment section! Just comment it down below. Or if you have any suggestions sa mga future next episodes ng LLA episodes. So, we hope na nag-enjoy kayo and na-explain namin ng maayos yung aming booking policies and reminders. And yung guys, yung website po namin is live siya every day. So,
Yep.
pwede nyo siyang buksan. And of course, booking site if you want to book an appointment. I think our May calendar
Yeah.
is already open.
Yeah.
So, if you guys want to book an appointment na for May, so just go lang sa aming booking site and dire-diretso na yun. Easily accessible naman yung aming booking site. But still, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message us
Yes.
sa aming social media account. So, ayun lang. Na-excite ako i-upload to. so,
yun.
ayun guys. May i-add ka pa ba?
Wala na naman. I feel like this is a good place na mag-start. I hope na yung reception nito is good from our clients and soon-to-be clients. And ngayon pa lang, we are thank you. If you made it through sa haba ng podcast na
Yes.
ito, thank you. We love
Yeah.
you. Down. Okay? So,
Okay,
that's
yun
all.
lang. Bye,
Bye!
Cindy.
Bye-bye, Cindy! Mwah, 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 mwah.
Bye!
Our pause assistant, guys. Ito na yung ending clip.
Yeah.